Karina Ruby Gonzalez Lopez. I wanted to say your full name before you became Mrs. Wilson. I am grateful that you are going to be my wife. You have taught me some lessons about love, but the biggest lesson I have learned from you is that outside of my faults, your love is strong, kind, stubborn, and beautiful.
As your wife, I promise to love you unconditionally, be your biggest supporter, fill our home with joy and laughter as our family grows, and to be at your side at whatever life brings us.
We are stardust that travel the universe to get to where we are now. It represents what you have tattooed on your wrist. My mom and I used to say to each other, Hanamankum, Daimankum, Galaxy Mankum. That translates to I love you from the ground to the sky and through the galaxy. I vow to respect you, protect, and love you like your grandma said to find in a husband. I vow to cherish our time on this earth together as husband and wife. I love you from the ground to the sky and beyond our galaxy. Hanamankum, Daimankum, Galaxy Mankum, Hana.
I choose you with all my heart, today and forever, my love.
I'm going to be meeting my half-sister from my dad's side for the first time today. Hope to be here shortly. Lynette!
Hi, can I hug you?
Yes.
How you doing?
Good. I'm happy you're here.
Likewise.
You struggled. You struggled to get
I'm
here.
telling you, the universe is like, fuck you and your plans.
No, I'm just glad you made it out.
Of course, absolutely. Where's my sister-in-law?
Well, she's getting ready. We haven't done the first look.
Okay.
So, but if you need to start getting ready,
Okay.
come in.
Okay,
Yeah.
alrighty.
Here, let me grab your bags for
Oh,
you.
thank you. That's right.
Yes.
I struggled.
Gosh, my sister's here. That's what I'm talking about. Look beautiful.
Thank you.
Man, so many firsts. I met my half sister. You're gonna be my wife. Love you. I can't kiss you too much. Right? Wow, that's so beautiful, babe.
The wedding rings are a perfect symbolization of the never-ending love that you both have for each other. By exchanging these rings, you solidify a lifelong commitment to one another. These serve as a welcome, constant reminder of your bond that you're forming today. Charles and Karina, I am pleased to pronounce you husband and wife. Sealed together today by law and love, you may kiss the bride.
We went camping, and you held it down for him. You held it down like the tent that was holding down the wind at the Usaw Beach. That wind was vicious, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's like cat 4 winds. Charles was saying that the side of his tent was blowing, and it was on the side of his face. But Karina was pushing it away, like, "Don't worry, babe, I got you."
No, I just want to say thank you to my daughter. And I'm very proud of you, mija, because you reached your goals, what you wanted to do. And I'm very proud of you. You look beautiful. And Charles, I want to say to you that you take care of my daughter. And you're welcome to our family.
Come alive. Every flower opens in due time. Every season falling into life.
Man, this is tough. I'm a master T for T, right? And this is kind of tough right now for me, but I love my sister.
We will go as far as our feet can take us.
One thing about Karina is that she has a really big heart. She's always been there for her family through tough times when needed. Karina will forever have a special place in my heart. Karina, marriage is not easy, but one thing that makes it easier is finding a good man. And guess what? You did!